Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make fried rice with shrimp. First, ensure you have day-old rice, as fresh rice can become mushy. Next, prepare your shrimp by peeling and deveining them, then pat them completely dry to ensure a good sear. Finally, chop your favorite vegetables into small, uniform pieces for even cooking and a delightful texture. Now let's get cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in your wok until shimmering. Add your prepared shrimp and cook for about 2 minutes per side until they turn pink and opaque. Remove the shrimp and set aside. Then, add 2 large beaten eggs to the hot wok, scrambling them until just set, breaking them into small, fluffy pieces. This ensures they integrate beautifully into your rice. With the shrimp and eggs ready, it's time for the star, the rice. Add another tablespoon of oil to the wok. Sauté your aromatics like minced garlic and ginger for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Then, add your day-old rice, breaking up any clumps with your spatula. Stir-fry for 3 to 4 minutes, ensuring every grain is coated. Now, drizzle in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and a pinch of white pepper. Almost there. It's time to bring all those delicious components together. Return your perfectly cooked shrimp and scrambled eggs to the wok with the rice. Add your chopped green onions and any other quick-cooking vegetables you desire, like peas. Stir-fry for another 1 to 2 minutes, ensuring everything is thoroughly heated and well combined. Serve immediately and enjoy your homemade, flavorful shrimp fried rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.